This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheels and engage first gear. Prise away the centre cap, then using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Locate the jack head below the centre section of the rear axle and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. The reinforced section is indicated by an indentation in the flange. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Release the various fasteners and remove the wheel arch liner. Apply some releasing agent to the shock absorber lower mounting bolt and clean the exposed threads. Support the trailing arm with the trolley jack, then unscrew the lower mounting bolt. Pull the lower end of the shock absorber from the trailing arm. Unscrew the upper mounting bolts and withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, then insert the upper mounting bolts and tighten them to the specified torque. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the trailing arm, then insert the lower mounting bolt. Don't tighten the bolt at this stage. Lower the trailing arm. Refit the liner into the wheel arch and secure it with the various fasteners. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then refit and lightly tighten the nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Press the centre cap into place. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. With the weight of the vehicle back on its wheels, tighten the shock absorber lower mounting bolt to the specified torque.